Chapter 1 Going to the Market. Situation: Laura's mother had asked her to go grocery shopping before she went to work this morning. Since Laura is still busy with her home. Chapter 1 Going to the Market. Situation: Laura's mother had asked her to go grocery shopping before she went to work this morning. Since Laura is still busy with her homework, she asks her sister Martha to go to the market for her. Laura: Mom had asked me to go grocery shopping before she left for work this morning, but I need to finish my school project. Can you go for me, Martha? Martha: I guess I can. I am done with my homework. What did Mom want you to buy? Laura: Well, she wanted me to buy enough groceries for the whole week. Besides meat, some fish, and vegetables, we can buy whatever else we want for snacks and breakfast. Martha: What do you want for breakfast? Laura: I guess some cereal as usual. Martha: I do not want cereal every day. I will buy some pancakes and syrup then. Laura: Get the new fine food pancakes in the frozen food section, please. I want to see how it tastes. Martha: Do we still have enough coffee and cream for Mom and Dad? Laura: Yes, we do. Talking about coffee and cream, you better buy some milk also. We almost ran out of it. Martha: Next, what do you want for snacks? Laura: Some chips would be fine with me. You probably want your chocolate cookies. Martha: I better write down all these things, otherwise, I will forget them by the time I get to the market. I would hate to make 2 trips to take care of things. Laura: Right. As far as meat, Mom wants some pork and some chicken. Martha: Just any kind of pork? 1. Laura: I forgot to ask Mom about that. Anyways, you can ask the butcher for his opinion. He knows what is best. Martha: How about fish? Laura: Mom wants some salmon and some catfish. Make sure that they are fresh. Martha: How much salmon and catfish should I buy? Laura: Oh, buy 4 pieces of salmon fillet and 4 pieces of catfish fillet. Mom does not like to get the whole fish. Martha: Are these fish fillets sold by weight or by the piece? Laura: I am not very sure. Just buy 4 decent-sized pieces. Not too big and not too small. Martha: Do I need to buy some spices so Mom can marinate the fish? Laura: Yes, get some ground pepper and some garlic. Martha: Now, how about vegetables? Mom probably wants carrots, potatoes, cabbages, and some lettuce. Laura: That would be fine. We need some fruits also. What do you want? Martha: Dad always packs an apple for lunch every day. I want the same thing. Laura: We have already run out of eggs. So, get a carton of eggs also. Martha: How about some soft drinks? Laura: No, buy some bottled water instead. It is healthier for us. We need to cut down on our intake of sugar, as too much sugar is not good for our bodies. Martha: I need to put bread on the list before I forget. Should I get 1 loaf or 2? Laura: 1 loaf will be enough. Put down a bag of rice also. Martha: Do we need anything for dessert? Laura: Get a box of ice cream. Martha: Ice cream? Isn't ice cream packed with sugar? 2. Laura: Yes, but since I already drink water instead of soft drinks, 1 or perhaps 2 scoops of ice cream after dinner is not too bad. Besides, Mom loves ice cream, especially cherry vanilla. Martha: Okay, I will put down 1 box of ice cream if you say so. Do you want me to buy some pastries for you? Laura: I know the pastries at the market are delicious, however, no is my answer. Do not tempt me, Martha. Martha: Just asking, Laura. Laura: you have quite a few items to take care of. You need to get going. Martha, yes, the list is quite long. By the time I get to the cashier to pay, I will probably have a full shopping cart. Okay, I am all set to go. It will be back soon. Laura, drive carefully please. Martha, it will.